Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Water cycle. It's our topic today. Look at this animated gift.
Looks good. Means I have a question.
Yeah.
What means after?
After. Después.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's begin. The water cycle. Do you ever wonder where the water goes after a rain? Water is always moving from the earth into the air and back to the earth again. So that's the cycle the water follows. It's a cycle that never ends. Water from lakes, ponds, rivers, oceans, and even puddles evaporate. Puddles are like charcos, como charcos de agua. Sebastian, look at the screen. And this water evaporates, condenses, and falls as precipitation. Trace the movement of water through the water cycle. Trace. So the water evaporates, then condenses in the air. That water vapor condenses and forms clouds. Finally, rains again, and when it is on the ground, run off and come back to the bodies of water. Okay, Ryan. Come back to the bodies of water like the ones that I mentioned before. Lakes, ponds, river, oceans, and even puddles. So here, evaporation. A puddle shrinks of water, evaporates into the air. That's water vapor, right? Water also evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers. However, you don't notice because we cannot see the water vapor. We cannot notice that water is evaporated, that water vapor is in the air. We cannot see it. Even though, however, you don't notice the water loss from these large bodies of water, the warmer the air, the faster the water enters the air as water vapor. Then condensation, when warm, moist air touches a cool window, water vapor condenses, becomes changed. Condenses means that the water vapor changes from gas to tiny drops of water. Tiny water drops form on the window. Water vapor also condenses high in the air. As the water vapor condenses, clouds are formed. This is condensations form the clouds, okay? So what happened when water drops fall from the cloud? It's raining. Time to get out the umbrella and look for puddles to splash in, like Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig loves to splash on puddles, right? After the rain. In freezing temperature, the water falls as a different kinds of precipitation, like snow. Most precipitation falls over the ocean. Okay, why? Imagine over the ocean creates most of the clouds because there is a huge amount of water, so the ocean produces or evaporate more water. So most of the clouds form.
May I go to drink water?
Quickly, please.
Thank you.
And then run off. Run off as water reaches the ground. Some of it soaks in. Some of them, some land absorb the water. Yes, the water absorb a certain amount of water, not all the water that fall from the sky. What doesn't soak into the ground runs downhill into puddles, streams, river, or lakes. Then the whole cycles start again. Water that the land, the earth, the ground cannot absorb runs off. Corre sobre la superficie, the water. And the water finally finished in lakes, in rivers, in the ocean, in ponds, okay? Now, let's watch this video. This one is gonna be a very interesting video related with the topic. So this is the work you have to do for the class of science today, the water cycle. You have to make the drawing in the middle of the page. You're gonna color, and you have to copy also the informations including here. As you can see here, we have the steps. The steps of the water cycle, see, collection is water is everywhere, water moves in a cycle, then the water evaporates, condenses, and then we got precipitations. Those are the 4 steps, okay? And don't forget the materials we need for class of tomorrow. You need a printed worksheet, please. Scissors, glue, markers. But if you don't have markers, you can use colors. No problem. Okay? So guys, thank you for your attention.